Hello everybody, my name is Mark,
Felix, and today we're making some fried Oreo bites. And the first two things you're gonna need is one box of family-size Oreos and one freezer bag. And guys, please forgive me, but
Lucille is thirsty.
so all we're gonna do is grab all those Oreos and put them inside that freezer bag. Then we're gonna beat it senseless. Like Glenn. Oh no! After all your Oreos are nice and crushed, you're gonna put it inside a bowl. Then you're just gonna add one block of cream cheese. Get off! Next, we're gonna add about 1 cup of Semisweet Chocolates. And then we're gonna grab a spatula and start stirring. You could also use your lovely hands and get down and gritty with it. The next thing we're gonna do is grab some cookie dough and start making those Oreo balls. Then we're gonna grab some Rollos and place one of those bad babies right on that dough ball. After that, we're gonna grab a little bit more extra dough and cover up that Rollo. Also, it's also important to give it a little squeeze to make sure it's good, and you're then gonna set it aside and repeat. After all your Oreo balls are done, let's get started on that batter. So first up, we're gonna need is 2 cups of pancake mix. Then we're gonna need 2 cups of milk and 2 eggs. Then we're gonna mix and start frying.
Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry for one.
Alright, so first things first, we're gonna set the oil to a medium heat. Then we're gonna grab our Oreo bowl and fully submerge it in the batter. Next, we're gonna grab a spoon and smother that baby up. Then gonna drop it in the fryer and fry it for about 2 or 3 minutes until it's golden brown. After it's done cooking, we're gonna take it out and set it on a plate. Then we're gonna put some more batter on that bad baby and fry it again.
yes, you heard it here, folks. We're gonna fry it twice. Double the diabetes and double the love.
Shout out to my boy Josh's mom for this awesome recipe. I hope y'all enjoyed it and I hope you have a good day.
Peace.